Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and today we have Bill here, and Bill's actually my pastor at church. He's an awesome guy. He's probably done more for me than I've done for him, and I actually met him right here, so pretty cool. But when you were in your 20s?
I was, late 20s.
Yeah, so in his late 20s, really bad car accident. His hip got destroyed, basically, and then his low back, he developed a scoliosis in his low back after that. And so it's just a nightmare.
A little tight.
Yeah. So we both benefit from knowing each other.
That's right.
Just different ways. So
that's right.
So he's feeling tight today. He coaches throwers in track at the high school over in Oak Harbor, and so usually this time of year he's a little worse. You know,
I'm twisted more than I should.
Right, yeah. So I'll see him off and on over the fall and winter, and then spring hits, and I'll see him a little more regularly for a few weeks.
Yep.
Until track's over.
I'm a little older.
A little bit older. And this muscle on the right is really tight today.
That one, and even over here, this is hurts more than usual. That's just weird. That hasn't hurt for a while.
So, okay. So we're going to get him adjusted.
Okay.
Hopefully feel a little better. So we're going to left side up. We're going to adjust that left SI first.
Okay.
Oh,
left side up. Oh, left side up.
Yeah, you got it.
I had trouble with left and right.
So I usually don't say left or right. I just say facing this way.
Yeah. I
don't want to put people on the spot.
Tough call.
All right. So because of all the arthritis that's built up over the years in there, he can be a little tricky to adjust.
It's tight.
So we're going to get right on that SI. A little bit further. That moved really good.
Yeah.
Let's go to the other side.
That's something good. I know I'm doing that Cobra thing you showed me.
Yeah.
It'll actually adjust a little bit better. I can feel it. Yeah, it's weird. Go ahead. Yeah.
So, and then on the other side here, we're going to adjust up in the lumbars because the scoliosis kind of comes this way. So what I'm going to do is drop out that piece a little bit so that I can create a little bit of lateral bend when I do this adjustment. So we're going to get right on top of it, push straight down, let that air out. Perfect. Good.
Okay.
Roll on your back.
One back. Okay.
He's a little tighter than usual in his upper back today, so we're going to loosen that up too.
He's leaving me here for a while.
Yeah, is that good? Take a deep breath in, and then all out. Lay your head back. One more. Good. You're moving easy today. I like it.
That's cracking.
You're making me look good for the camera.
That's right. You make me look good on Sundays. Play your guitar, so I'll take that. I'll take that.
Awesome. Neck's really feeling good. Now, let's focus in. Over. Good. Okay. Face down. So I always do the flexion distraction on Bill. Just where that scoliosis, so we try to stretch it out, and we'll usually get a few more releases through there while we're doing it.
Yeah, that's tight. It's weird. It's on that left side more than usual.
Well, you're usually complaining about that hip.
Yeah.
It's still a little tight. Giving up moves good. I think I even made it into your sermons when you first met me.
Yeah.
Because you were having really bad back pain. So he's a pastor over at Shoreline Church in Oak Harbor. So check it out. What's the website?
It's www.flexion, theShorelineChurch.net.
Okay, theShorelineChurch.net.
Yeah.
So I'll put that below the video if you guys are interested. It's become a little home for me.
You'd be proud of me. I haven't thrown shot. I haven't thrown.
You haven't thrown at all?
No, I have not touched that.
It's still early. The season is young.
Yeah.
Right.
And I told the kids that I'd let me do certain things.
Yeah. Okay, so they're keeping an eye on you?
Yes, they are.
That's good.
Ooh, that's tight.
Yeah, right there.
Wow.
So we're right on the apex of that scoliosis right now.
When you say apex, what do you
So
mean?
that's like the top of the curve.
Okay.
So you think of a bell curve, it's
Yeah.
the top of the curve. Yeah. There we go.
So how much of a bend, when you look at the x-ray, is there in scoliosis?
Well, it's
Pretty good.
yeah. I don't know what the degree. I can't remember
Right.
what the degrees were, but it was more the arthritis around it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it was like you kind of had like this little pivot,
Right.
and then all those joints, they're just like
Oh, okay.
they're just spurs, and they're just the body is trying to stabilize it. So when the body tries to stabilize an injury, it throws calcium at it.
Okay.
And then you start seeing bone spurs and the discs wear out.
Okay.
So that's the body's mechanism saying, well, this isn't right. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to throw calcium at it
Okay.
and try to lock it down. So, and then I kind of try to do the opposite.
Right.
I try to loosen it back up for you so you can move. If you saw his x-rays, you'd probably be surprised that he moves as well as he does. It's pretty bad. So, hold on.
We stopped that in about an hour.
An hour?
Yeah.
I'll just do a little cut in the video. Okay, let's bring it back in the chair. Let's see. So we're going to recheck things here. That left hip is still not right. I want to work on that.
That's weird.
Face down again.
You see the left. Use that little right here, that little bitty knot. That's a little bitty knot.
But that's better.
But it's not like this. Yeah, that's better. This is. Yeah, I'm turning that way for discus.
There it is. Yeah, let's have it face down.
I'm not throwing discus. I don't even turn like I used to. I don't do it. I got to watch a little short 5-minute videos of somebody else who can do it.
Yeah, I mean that's still not the same as what being out there in the pit. And,
yeah.
All right. Better. Good. Listen up. Now turn on your back again. So this adjustment, I'm going to adjust your pelvis from the front. So the hip is kind of rocked a little differently. We're going to scoot right about there. And we got to tighten that up a bit for this. Right on that pelvis. Let it come like that. Let it come in a little bit. More. Let's check our work. Come on up. Take it back in the chair. That feels a little better.
That feels a little better.
Yeah. Very good. Well, good. That was a pretty good adjustment today.
All right.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Dr. Butler. This is Pastor Bill.
Yep.
You guys have a good day. Bye.
Good man.